I'm Marissa Eaton, and welcome to my channel where I do social commentary on the issues of the day. Today's topic is going to be the recent passing of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg and 3 reasons why I am not freaking out. Before we get started, I do just want to apologize. My allergies are terrible today, so please bear with me and my voice. But let's get started. Reason 1 why I'm not freaking out is because I don't believe that the arguments that liberals made at the end of President Obama's second term with regards to needing to fill a Supreme Court vacancy immediately, I don't believe that those arguments are less true now. I believe that stalling a nomination is damaging to the country. It's damaging to the court, and it's damaging to the executive branch, to the presidency, to start to diminish power in that way for purely political reasons. It's not something, frankly, that I'm comfortable with. So in that respect, I personally don't feel like this is something that I don't have a dog in this fight. I would prefer if President Trump didn't do anything with any permanence at all. But I would also prefer constitutional law. So, kind of 6 of 1. I'm considered me agnostic on who should appoint the next justice. Reason number 2 why I'm not freaking out over the Supreme Court vacancy is that I don't think it matters that much whether the next justice appointed is appointed under a Republican or a Democrat. Here's why. Again, I am a liberal, so I would prefer liberal-leaning justices. The reason I'm indifferent to what type of president appoints the justice is because Republican appointees defect. They defect all the time. So in that respect, I'm not ready to tear my garments about this issue. The court has a long history of justices liberalizing over the course of their careers, sometimes dramatically. Anthony Kennedy, David Souter, Sandra Day O'Connor, John Paul Stevens, these were all justices appointed by Republican presidents. So there's a strong possibility that even though a Republican appoints this new justice, they also will not end up being that conservative. I don't believe that the fact that the appointment is made by a Republican means that for sure, forever, there's going to be a conservative justice on the court. That's just not a good bet to make. It's not something that happens reliably at all. I believe in recent years we're about at 50-50 as far as whether a Republican appointee is going to become a swing vote or a liberal. The reverse of that is not true. Democratic appointees don't become more conservative. In fact, no one becomes more conservative once they join the court. Something about the cloistered contemplation of America as an idea doesn't make people more conservative. So that's why I'm not freaking out. And the third reason I am not freaking out about the Supreme Court vacancy is because of Roe. I'm not freaking out because of Roe v. Wade. Let me explain. I don't believe that the issue of abortion specifically is a political one. The reason I don't believe that is because I believe that the question that the court was trying to address was not the question that was being asked. Now, full disclosure, Roe predates me, so I really don't know what the political climate was at the time of that ruling. But I think, respectfully, that the justices may have gotten sidetracked as far as what their role in the conversation was. I think that they believed that their job was to decide when human life begins, when really that's outside of the scope of the question before the court. The question is like any other question the court sees. What is the government empowered to make someone do? That's the question. Can the government make you provide access to your body for any reason? Can the government make you provide access to your body even if someone else will die without it? It's not an abstract question. It's actually a question that's been answered time and time again. The entire body of case law on that question says the answer is no. You can't be compelled to donate blood, tissue, organs, even if someone else is going to die if you don't do that. It's important to note that in these instances of the court saying you can't be compelled to do this action, never was the court saying you shouldn't do them. Never was the court saying that's the morally correct thing to do. That's not the question the court answers. The court answers, can the state make you do this? If somebody needs your rare blood type, can the state strap you down and extract blood from your body against your will? The answer is no. The answer is a hard no. The government can't come and harvest anything from your body for any reason at all. Not to save a life, not for any reason. The right to bodily autonomy is so sacrosanct that you can't take parts from a corpse unless the dead person authorized it. The answer is no. The state can't make you use your body to keep someone else alive, even when you're done using it yourself. Even if the fetus is alive, they're not more alive than any of the couple dozen people who die on the transplant list every single day, most of them for want of an organ that everybody has a spare of. So no, the state can't force you to gestate another person. Any of these other examples where the courts have ruled that's too much to compel, none of them are as physically taxing and demanding as a pregnancy, to say nothing of how the person exits your body. Suddenly it doesn't matter if justices are conservative or liberal. It's very clear cut. Obviously, the issue of abortion is super complicated, more complicated than we'll get into in this video. If you'd like for me to do a separate video on abortion, please comment below and let me know. But that's it. Those were my 3 reasons why I am not freaking out over the Supreme Court vacancy. If you enjoyed it, if you got something out of it, please like and subscribe for more videos. I definitely will be doing more uploads. And please comment. I would love to know what you think, how you're feeling about the court or the current political climate, whatever you'd like to talk about. I'll definitely be reading comments. So certainly you can try to troll. I'm grown, so I don't know how satisfying that's going to be for you, but thank you so much for watching my very first video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate your support, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. The first reason I'm not freaking out is because of appoint Justice Ginsburg's replacement. A Republican sacrosanct and interesting, morally correct to